Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, why we cannot speak English fluently. Many people study English for years. They know grammar, they know vocabulary, they understand English video, but when it is time to speak English, they become nervous. Why does this happen? So, today I will tell you the biggest reason and how to improve your English speaking confidence. So, let's begin. Reason 1, fear of mistakes. The biggest reason is fear. Many people think, what if I speak wrong English? What if people laugh at me? Because of this fear, they stop speaking. But remember, mistakes are normal. Every fluent speaker once made mistakes. Children also make mistakes while learning their language. Confidence comes from practice, not a perfection. So never fear mistakes and practice English every day. Reason 2, lack of practice. Many students only read grammar's book. But English is a skill and every skill needs practice. Can you learn swimming only by reading a book? No, you must enter the water. The same is true for English. So, to speak English, speak slowly, speak daily, practice daily, and uses the English word daily. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Then, reason 3, thinking in native language. This is the main reason. Because of this, many people first think in Hindi and other language, then translate into English. This process takes time and creates confusion. So start thinking in simple English. Like as I am hungry, I am going to school. Today is a good day. Small English thoughts improve fluency. Reason 4, lack of confidence. Some people know English but still do not speak. Why? Because they do not believe in themselves. Confidence is very important. Speak slowly, speak clearly, do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Believe in yourself. Reason 5, fear of public speaking. Some people feel shy in front of others. Their hands shake and their voice becomes weak. This is a normal. So start with simple practice. Speak in front of a mirror, record your voice, talk to yourself in English and practice with your friends. Slowly, your fear will be disappear. How to improve English speaking? So now tell you about the simple tips. Practice speaking every day for at least 10 minutes. Watching English video and repeat sentences loudly. Then learn simple daily use sentences. Read English books and read newspaper and never stop practicing. So remember that fluency does not come in one day. It comes from daily efforts and consistency. So friends, English is not difficult. Fear makes it difficult. If you practice daily with confidence, you will improve step by step. Do not wait for perfect English. Start speaking today. So stop thinking and start speaking English confidently. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.